everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to cook a chicken curry with a twist on it. Yeah, it's my way of how I do my curry. And let's go to my kitchen. It's already in my kitchen. Yeah, come on in. First of all, we have a chicken, of course, because we are going to use chicken, and then we have a coriander, and we have a lemongrass, tanglad, and we have ginger, and we have a garlic. We have a little bit of tomatoes. We have red pepper and onions. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put it all together into the blender. You need to blend it because I'm going to cheat it with my children so that they will eat it, because sometimes they just put it on the side, only chicken and the sauce, and the rest of it is on the side of the plates. So leave it for now, and I'm going to blend it. And the coriander, put it all together. Now we're going to start the to saute the onions. Okay, so put it in here, all the onions, saute it. Yeah, yes, and then so we made our puree, made our ingredients, because I don't want the children to put it on the side when they're eating. So I made it into to blend everything in it. But aside from that, again, and then next is we're going to have the first cumin for tablespoon. Next, coriander, tablespoon. Yeah. Next is paprika. So this is the spices now for the curry. Half tablespoon. Next is, I will start, of course, the mild curry powder. I always have this one, even though I have the rest of the ingredients, but I still sneak with the mild curry powder. Plus I have garam masala. I always have garam masala as well. Garam masala is my favorite. And of course turmeric. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, and then look at the I'm vlogging. Look at the color of the spices. It's so pretty, isn't it? Yeah. And a little bit of, I'm going to put salt this time now, for first time. Salt there. Mommy, yes, my dear. And our pepper. Lots of pepper. Then I'm going to roast it or saute all the ingredients, all the spices here, plus the one that I blend, which is the lemongrass, ginger, tomato, garlic. Yeah, put it in here, everything in here. Coriander, and a little bit of. Luis, wait, I'm sorry, Luis. I'll get back to you. I'm just going to put it this one, please. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes until it's cooked. Yeah. I inherit my apron from my parents-in-law. Thank you, Mom. I love it. And it's Christmas coming. It's nice. Anyway, now what I'm gonna do is to put the chicken on it. Chicken, yes, there. And of course, I do need have the coconut milk for it. Here we go. Chicken. So you need to saute the chicken and all the spices first, and then leave it to cook. But I need to add more a little bit of salt. Yes. And I'll have the liquid seasoning. Is it all in there? Yeah. And then a little bit more again of the pepper. Yes. And then saute it. Yeah. Look at this. Look at the color. Chicken curry color. It's really chicken curry color. Yeah. So I will cover it for a little bit, 5 minutes, before I pour the coconut milk and a little bit of tomato sauce, chopped tomatoes on the pan. In there for 5 minutes. Now we're back, and then we're back into business. Now, after 5 minutes, it's already settled the chicken and the spices. We're going to. That looks yummy. The smells of the ginger, the ginger, the lemongrass. It's very Asian actually. And then Asian spice. Like if you're going to Thai, you can smell like that. But unfortunately, I will not put spicy chilies on this because the children can't eat it. Anyway, before I'm going to put the coconut, I'm just going to have a splash of a lemon. Yeah, because it's nice to have a splash of lemon. And then, the rest of the big lemongrass I'll just pop up in. And then this one. Ooh! Yes. Yes, my dear. Yeah, okay, sure. Look at this. Yummy. And I have children needs my attention as well. And then we're going to collect Victoria soon. Yeah. Look at that. That's the... But I'm going to make a twist on it. I will put a, I have a aubergine on it. Instead, I'm going to make it separate. I'll just put it together later. Make it, the soft and the moisture and the moist from the chicken meat, and the aubergine will be mixed together and taste together. Nice, isn't it? Yeah. Good. Now, I'm going to leave it for long. Let it bit slow the fire out. Not fire, the heat. Volume down and simmer it until it's finished. Here we go. I put the aubergine in here. Let's leave it until it's cooked. Yummy. And you don't need to do it if you don't want to, but for me, because I have aubergine, so I just throw it all. And also, what David and I, what we love to have for the curry is spice, spicy chili with chili on it. But the thing is, children don't want spicy, so what we're gonna do on our plate, we put sriracha or something like chili on it. Yeah, cover it and let it simmer. Here we go, my chicken curry with a bit of twist. So yeah, this one. Here's the chicken curry with aubergine and sidings, of course with rice. Cheers everyone!